Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID is not available on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing any kind of issue with your Face ID, if it's not available or if it has been disabled, so let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that your in-depth camera is clean. There's not any dust or dirt inside your in-depth camera. If you find, just try to clean it. Once you have cleaned, open your settings app here, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. Once you updated software, just simply go back and here just try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to your settings app again. Go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings and enter your iPhone passcode. And then select reset all settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your iPhone settings if there will be any issue and you have enabled or disabled any setting which is causing the issue. So it might be fixed in this step and you will not get the issue again. After resetting your networks and your all setting, if your issue still persists, you just have to try to check if your iPhone's in-depth camera or your iPhone Face ID section is not physically damaged. If it's damaged, so you just have to try to repair it. Or you have a second way, you just have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. So at iPhone from here, just select this more option, and here just look for Face ID. Just select Face ID from here, and here just wait for this loading, and then tap on this get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to track, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.